guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, please like and subscribe. Today's video is going to be on these beautiful butterfly locks. I'm so excited to show you guys. I also want to give a thanks to you guys for getting me to 8K. I'm so excited. Let's start this video. So we're going to start off with our basic 10 cornrows straight back connected, because these locks are beautiful, you guys. They are not too big, not too small, the perfect size for crochet. These are super distressed, super soft, and a nice medium shine. This is how they look. They are so lightweight and beautiful. I was so shocked because I did not know that they were already making these into crochet. But my client purchased these on Amazon. She was super quick because she's the crochet queen. This is my client Shelly. This is my girl. And she always comes with the latest looks of crochet, which I love. Look at how beautiful these are. It looks just like the regular ones that everybody's wearing. So I told her, girl, I got to record this because this is something that I would even get. Like, I need these for the summertime. So I'm so excited you guys are going to watch. So this hair comes with 12 locks per bundle. It came with 6 bundles, which is perfect for the normal size head. It was just enough for her hair, so it was perfect. The lengths come from 12 to 24, which we got a 12, which is perfect because I feel like for this look, it looks better short, which is really cute and fun. Another thing, when you guys are crocheting this hair, I tried to put the crochet hook through the lock, which it did not go through. These are very firm, so you can't like put the crochet crochet hook through it. So what I did, as you guys can see, is I just crocheted through, but I opened up the loop with my hand and I just stuck the end of the lock through and pulled it, because it's not gonna do it like a normal crochet. So make sure you guys keep that in mind. Another thing I love about this style is that the locks are really lightweight. They are not heavy at all. You will be able to style them as soon as you put them in, which I love because this is like the new trend. I feel like the locks look is not going nowhere. Everybody is trying natural styles now. You can go to work, school, anywhere with this style, which is like super good because, you know, sometimes you kind of feel conscious about your hair, but the lock look is so beautiful to me. I just love how we're starting to embrace our natural hair. Like, that's so beautiful to me because there's nothing more natural nor beautiful than natural beauty. So I just want to stress that to you guys, that anybody can wear these. Any age group is perfect for this hair. So think about that. My client seen these beautiful locks on Jada and she was like, girl, I gotta get these. So she went on Amazon, typed it in, and she found this distributor, and this hair is like bomb. I'm really shocked that they was already on it. So shout out to them. I'm gonna leave the info in the description. Unfortunately, I did not get me styling this hair, so I hope you guys like it. We'll see you guys in the next one. Mwah.
Dice is on the beat.